Hi guys, in today's video I am going to saying about what is meant by trading account. So in my previous videos I already told about what is meant by trial balance account and how to do the problems on it. It is very simple guys. So if you understand that video then only you can able to understand this trading account, because these accounts are linked with one and another. So let us see that the first step in preparation of final account is a trading account guys. Trading account is the first step. So let us see the pro forma, that means how to construct the trading account. Trading account means at the top of the trading account table, this line is mostly important guys, that is trading account of so and so person. About the person or about the thing or company, whatever they gave in the question, we need to write it here, their name. For the year ended or whatever the question they mentioned, based on the question we are going to write it here. And here this blank belongs to write the date guys. Let us see what is the pro forma, that means how the table will be designed and what are the things will be written on the debit side and what are the things will be written on the credit side. So here this is the heading guys, trading account horizontal format. That means in place of horizontal format you are going to writing the company name or the person name, whatever they give. For the year ended or for the year or for the date, whatever they give, you need to write it here. Then here DR means guys, DR means it is the debit side account and it is a credit side account guys, CR. So these two will play the most important and we need to compulsory represent them. Let us see what are the particulars at the debit side and at the credit side. First of all, see at debit side guys, debiting means we need to pay for them. So whatever the things we bought, we need to pay for them. Credit side means whatever the bonuses, gains, so whatever we are getting, those all will be written on the credit side. So here see guys, at debit side, opening stock guys. So it is a new stock. Whenever you are opening a company or you are opening anything, so whatever the stock you are bought, so those stock will come under the opening stock. So it is on debit side. So purchases, whatever you have bought for your as a goods, so those are comes under the debit side. And purchases, if any purchase returns are written outwards is there guys, we need to less them from the purchases. Return, that means return outwards means they just return us. So return inwards, if it is written inwards means they again bought them, means we need to add them. If it is written outwards, we need to less them. Then freight and carriage guys, this is also one type of expense for us. Carriage means for traveling purpose, from sending the goods from one place to another place, what are the charges will take, that is called the carriage. So it is also comes under the debit side. Next, customs and insurance guys. Insurance means guys, we are going to paying the insurance. If the insurance total amount will be comes at ending guys, but up to till then we are going to paying the amount. So it is also one type of expense for us. So it is also debit side. Next, wages, that means these are the daily labor guys, daily amount which we are going to the labors. So this is also debit side. Then gas, water and fuel. Without guessing anything, we can easily say that it is on trading side. That means in trading account it is on debit side, because everything we need to buy. So here factory expenses. Mostly here guys, trading account means it is related to manufacturing company. So it is mainly related to company guys. So company means it is going to buy each and everything. Whatever it want, it is going to buy each and everything. So let us see that royalty and production. So whatever the production you are preparing, for that also we need to buy the goods. Those all will comes under here. Then cargo expenses, shipping expenses, then import duty, customs duty, like this guys. And not only up to here commission on projects, purchases, there is a lot of the things which will comes under the debit side. That means simply I will say that guys, these are the direct expenses guys, we are going to directly buying them. Gas, water, fuel and factory expenses, whatever the things you are going to buy directly, so it should be direct guys. If it is direct, then we can say that this will comes under the trading account debit side, guys. Then here mainly this thing, guys. So here opening stock and purchases. If it is purchases returns, then we need to less them. Then here now these two are the most important in the trading account, guys. Whenever you see the opening stock and purchases, without guessing anything, just write them on the debit side of the trading account. Then let us check for the credit account, guys. Here sales. So purchases means we are going to purchasing or buying the things what we want. Sales means we are that means we are sending the goods from us. So another some other guys are purchasing the things from us, then those are called as sales. They are going to pay us, not we. So if any sales return or sales inward, then we need to less them, guys. If there any sales return or sales inward, we need to less them. Then here by closing stock. So here opening stock means whatever the stock we have at the opening of the year, it is comes under the opening stock. And whatever the stock we are having at the closing stock means, guys, at the end of the year. So I already told that business calendar or business years will start from April 1st to it will ends at March 31st, guys. This is the calendar followed by the business persons. So in the business field, so closing stock means what are the stock we have at the 31st. So that stock will be called as a closing stock. It will be comes under the credit side. Then here the main things are gross loss and gross profit. So after calculating, that means without mentioning this gross loss and gross profit, guys, after calculating this credit side balance and this debit side balance, wherever you have got the highest amount, then for other thing we need to make it equal, guys. With the other thing we need to make it equal. If the credit side balance is more, if the debit side balance is less, we need to add the certain amount here at the debit side. So whatever the amount you add at the debit side, it is called as the gross profit. So here whatever the amount you are going to add on the debit side, it is called gross profit, and whatever the amount you are going to add at the credit side, it is gross loss. These are the two important things, guys. Either of the two will appear, that means either gross profit or gross loss, only one will be appear, guys. So to understand it carefully, let us go for an example. So let us see that, guys, this is the question. So let us see that prepare trading account from the following particulars for the year ended 31st March 2021. So they gave some of the particulars with the amount, certain amounts. Opening stock 56,250, purchases, sales, wages, carriage, closing stock. You all know that, guys. Let us here only classify what are the things will come under the debit side and credit side. So here let us see, guys, opening stock. What we have done, guys, opening stock, it is comes under the debit side. If opening stock is on debit side, closing stock is on credit side. If purchases is on debit side, sales is on credit side. So opening stock, it is on debit side. So purchases, already we discussed that purchases is also on debit side. Then let us see that, guys, sales. If purchases is on debit side, the sales will be is on credit side, guys. Then wages, they are also daily labor, so they are also on the debit side, guys. So next, carriage, guys. Carriage means what are the transport charges we are getting, it is called carriage. It is also on debit side. If you have any doubts, see here, freight and carriage. Then closing stock. See here, guys, opening stock is on debit side, so closing stock is absolutely on credit side. Let us tabulate them, guys. So here this is the table. So here I am going to tabulating them, guys. See here, opening stock, this is on a debit side and this is on credit side, guys. These two things are more important. This is the heading, guys, that is trading account as on 31st March 2021. Let us see that on debit side, opening stock, purchases, wages, carriage, and on credit side, sales and closing stock. Let us calculate this, guys. After calculating this, we got 2,35,000. Next, here after calculating these opening stock, purchases, wages and carriage, we got 1,20,000, guys. So we got 1,20,000. Now let us see here, it is a 2,35,000. So here it is a 1,20,000. How it will be tally, guys? So for that purpose, if the credit side will be more, it will be net profit, and if it is a debit side is more, it will be net loss. So now the credit side will be more, guys, so it is a gross profit. So let us see here, guys. So it is a gross profit. Here we need to write it down, carry down. So carry down is more important, and it is a gross profit. So how much the gross profit, guys? 2,35,000 minus 1,20,000, that is 1,15,000. It is a gross profit. Now just add this whole thing, guys. That is all whatever they mentioned. That is opening stock, purchases, wages, carriage, gross profit. So the total is now 2,35,000. Now the total on the debit side and the total on the credit side is same, guys. Whenever the debit side is equals to the credit side, then we will call it as a trading account. That's it, guys. It is very simple. We need to remember what are the things will come under the debit side in trading account, and what are the things will come under the credit side. These two things are more important. I think you all understood my video, guys. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video.